So we're in a hostile area overseas. So you're currently a peacekeeper on patrol in a hostile area.
Okay.
So the purpose of this particular experience is an opportunity for us to explain and demonstrate to people the type of training our personnel conduct in advance of overseas deployment. It replicates some of the hostile scenarios they may find themselves in overseas. In this particular scenario, you are a gunner in a cavalry troop. You're moving through a hostile area and you're responsible for the weapon on the vehicle that you're in. So keep your wits about you, listen to the headset, and expect some orders to come your way very shortly.
Okie doke.
So we are aware of a threat in the area, including counter IED. So you have to use your counter improvised explosive device drills to try and get yourself out of any danger that comes your way.
Right. So I should be getting some clear orders.
So you should be looking to your left-hand side now and scanning the area for any activity.
And if I see something,
if you see something, listen to the orders, and if you get the order, engage. So get into the vehicle, get your head down, take control of the weapon. 3 enemy targets.
I think I got one.
You got one?
No. Oh, right. Back. Should have listened in training.
Okay, you should be able to hear your commander getting you ready to withdraw.
Got him. All right. Well done. You made it. He just said to me.
Good. I'm back to reality. So before any troops go overseas, we would conduct very robust training in advance of that, and that robust training would be conducted based on scenarios that Defence Forces personnel may have faced in the past.
That traffic I'm hearing on the headphones, those orders, is that real recordings from the field?
Absolutely,
is it based on real
absolutely.
recordings?
So the recording you heard was the traffic you can expect to hear whenever you're part of a cavalry troop. So you were the gunner, but you would have heard not only the vehicle commander, but the troop commander, and then also the driver. So the internal traffic and the external traffic.
Are you recruiting here as well?
We're not recruiting for permanent Defence Forces at the moment, but there is recruitment for Reserve Defence Forces. So a fantastic opportunity for people to join the organisation through the reserves.